On March 21, 2022, New Mexico State Police Officer Greg Ramirez was alerted that Josh Hall had stolen a prisoner transport van, leaving a deputy behind. 2 inmates were still inside as Hall fled westbound on Interstate 40.
Imagine between the 104 and 103. Now we're headed northbound on it's not even a dirt road. KX-79 take down the heading into 𝗙𝗶𝗏 onto State Road 124 near the 15-mile marker. Take exits 102 and 104 to get to that location, gentlemen. 602, they are going east on the frontage road, east on 124. 673 unit, somebody go back to the 104 if they go back east. I'm going on to the 102.
Exiting 102 as well, multiple units.
24, east on. It looks like it's headed back to I-40. If you could call people at county, it looks like they're there. It looks like they're made a stop now. We're at milepost 15, unknown this road. They are stopped.
Please advise those how they want to make the stop at milepost 15, milepost 15.
Crossfire! Crossfire! Get over here!
Open the door! Open the door!
No, I don't. Get out! Arrest! Get in your fucking face!
No glass! No glass! No glass! Unlock the door!
Shut up! Shut up!
Shut up!
Shut up! You got him? I got him. I unlocked it, I think. No? Like, open! Open!
Who's all in there? How many are in there?
This guy needs to get cuffs on.
Come here! She bumped it. Come with me! Pass it off, he's here! That's the only one.
Yeah, I got it.
A reckless red Nissan Rogue sped through Hazen, prompting a pursuit by Hazen police. Trooper Hernandez joined westbound on Interstate 40 to assist.
Light check deck, stand by. No, we're gonna stay 40 west.
Stand 40 west.
traffic. Couldn't pit him right there. We had traffic. We're going to be staying 40 west. About to come up to the north interchange.
𝗪𝗲𝗹, I'll follow behind your call.
He's passing, he's going up here on the right, stand by.
Still 40 westbound, past the big church. Going 667, you're faster. That's the JFK right now, 40 west still. Got to be about medium, we're about 110 right now. We got a pit, roll over. Pit, roll over, stand by. Stop here, guys.
Hands! Hands, driver! Hands! Driver, get out of the car! Get out of the car! Hands! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Hands! Walk backwards! Face away from me! Face away from me!
Hey, walk backwards to me!
Get back!
Hey, I'll put cuffs on his cover.